is going to be available on Friday for everybody. And it is our IDEXX in-house lab integration. And so anyways, today I wanted to kind of walk you guys through it. I wanted to walk you guys through enabling it, where we can find our devices that are listed. I want to show you guys how we actually map our existing labs to our integrated catalog for the IDEXX items. And I also wanted to just show you guys so you guys don't have any questions. So right on Friday, we can get right into it, and we don't have to have any questions. We don't have to call support. We're going to know exactly what we're getting ourselves into. And so let's begin. So first thing you want to do is you are going to want to enable your add-on. You're going to want to enable the IDEXX integration. And you guys probably already have this enabled if you guys are already using the reference labs. But if you don't, this is where you're going to go. So you'll go to settings, and then you will click on add-ons, and then we'll scroll down our integration list all the way to IDEXX. And then right here we'll go over here, and usually there'll be a plus sign if you haven't already enabled it. And then you will click on the plus sign and then enable your IDEXX integration. And you're going to use your VetConnect Plus account to enable this IDEXX integration. So that's what it's asking for, the username and the password for the VetConnect Plus. And so once we integrate our IDEXX, once we have enabled the integration, this is where you're going to go if you to see where your devices are listed. And so you'll go to settings, and then right over here on the configurations drop-down menu, if you click on configuration drop-down menu, if you click view devices, this will then pull up a list of all your devices, including the vet lab stations that you will be using for your in-house labs. And you can see we have 3 vet lab stations here. So a question you guys may have would be, which vet lab stations can we use? And the answer to that is all of them. So that, so feel free. So anyways, yeah, I just wanted to pass that along to you in case you guys had that question right now. So now I want to show you guys, we have enabled the integration. We know where we can find our devices, where we can view them. And then now, and you can also tell the status and the pending tests and the display name and the actual device. But now I want to show you guys, how do we go about, let's say we had an IDEXX item in our inventory that we've been doing our in-house labs for, or maybe even our reference labs. But we want to map that item to the integrated catalog of these IDEXX items. And I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. So if I go to inventory and I search for, let's say, for example, I'll show you guys real quick. I'll do a reference lab, and then I'll do an in-house lab. So to start with a reference lab, if I go to, let's say I have a reference lab, I got an adult annual that I've actually set up, but it's not actually mapped to the integrated IDEXX catalog. So this is just an item that I've been using before the IDEXX integration. So now that I've enabled the IDEXX integration, I want to map this to the integrated IDEXX catalog that we have. So I'm going to go to this item, and I'm going to navigate to it. I'm going to click Edit Item. And then right here, you'll notice that this actually pops up. So actually, my item's name is actually the same exact name as the integrated, the name in the integrated catalog. And usually, you guys just want to search by lab code. That would probably be the easiest. And so if you search by lab code, you'll see these results pop up. And if you click one of these results, you'll notice that whenever you click Save and Done, what will happen is this name will be ineditable. And if you're unable to edit this name, then you know that this item is now mapped to that integrated catalog item. So this 3591, the adult annual with HW. So now my item is ready to go. So this is integrated. So now I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys an in-house lab. So I actually have set up an IDEXX vet lab station, Kim 17, and I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm going to go to this item, and I'm going to go to Edit Item. And then right here, for example, if I typed in the code, Kim 17, you'll see some different results pop up. But the actual code that I'm actually looking for is going to be IHD Kim 17. I know you guys just saw that, but just to show you guys even further. So now all I need to do is just select the correct code that I'm looking for. And I'm looking for this one. And then I'm going to save and done. And then you'll notice if I go to edit item, the name is uneditable. So that means I have now switched my old IDEXX item that I've used before the integration. I have now integrated it with the mapped catalog. So I've actually mapped it with the integrated catalog, I should say. So anyways, so now I'm going to show you guys, I'm actually going to go to a patient's profile now. So now I want to show you guys what this actually looks like when we're doing it. And it's very, very similar to the reference labs, if you guys have been working with the reference labs. And so here, I'm going to go to this patient, and we're going to go to his history, and we are going to add a new record. And this new record is going to be for that in-house lab I just set up a second ago. So I'm going to type in my Kim 17. And then here is my item. I'm going to click this. And so now you'll see the source right here. The source automatically opens up the vet lab station. And you can actually select which vet lab station you want to use. And then you'll see right here, it automatically says yes for send to vet lab. So if you remember in the past, if we've actually did like a reference lab, how this differs from the reference lab, you'll see that if I choose the actual reference lab that's integrated, you'll see that it's a send to lab. So basically what's going on here is we're now able to process the in-house lab, and we'll do so by doing this. So here, I'm going to save and done. I'm going to show you guys what this looks like. All right. And so now this is going to pop up, and we are able to order the in-house lab. And so what happens next is basically, this is going to be sent over to your vet lab station, and within 3 minutes, the results are going to come back into your record within 3 minutes. So if you remember back with the reference labs, you receive the results whenever the reference labs are complete, right? But with this, it actually only takes 3 minutes, and those results will come back. And it's as simple as that. It's as simple as enabling the integration, making sure your items in your inventory are mapped to the integrated catalog, which I showed you by searching by code and selecting those pre-populated integrated results. And so then past that, all you need to do is you can also check to make sure your vet lab stations are correctly listed under your devices. And then all you need to do is then add that item to a patient's profile. And then once you do that, and once you order the lab, the results will return within 3 minutes. So anyways, guys, this integration is available on Friday, and we're also going to be sending out a formal announcement to all of you on Friday, describing this integration, letting you know that you guys are able to access it. And of course, we're always here. Anytime you guys have any questions at all, any kind of, if you guys need support with this, if you guys need help setting this up, just give our support number a call. That number is 844-483-8837. Or you can always just, alternatively use the help desk and just submit a ticket that way, or email us, support@vettersoftware.com. And we're always here to help. But now I want to open it up back to you guys. I want to see if you guys have any questions at all, based off of what you just saw. If there's any questions at all, just let me know. Anything at all. I'm unmuting you guys. It might be kind of crazy.
Hello.
You guys let me know though. But yeah, so anything you guys have, any concerns at all, just let me know. Give me a call. You guys have our support number. We're here 24/7 to help you guys. It's as simple as the reference labs. And it can be easily set up within just a couple minutes of your time. So yeah, so that's how it works. You guys let me know. You guys have our support number. feel free to call us. And I'm excited for Friday because this is a much anticipated integration feature. And so I know you guys are going to really love this. So yeah, so let me know any issues, any help you guys need, call our support number. We're here to help. But yeah, guys, just let me know. And I wish the best for you guys. I hope you guys have a great week. Good Valentine's Day coming up. And yeah, let's crush these in-house labs. I can't wait. Thanks a lot, guys. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you guys next week for Next Better office hours. Bye, guys.